Now let's create a Marketing Cloud permission set. We need a permission set so that we can grant access to users who are connecting to Salesforce from Marketing Cloud. This is so that the two systems can communicate properly. So let's get started. So we're on our setup page in Salesforce, and in the quick find bar, we're going to type in permission sets and click permission sets, and then click new to create a new permission set, and then give the permission set a name like Marketing Cloud Connected App. Once you fill that in and you click tab or you go to the next API name line, this will automatically populate. And then we'll click save, and then we'll apply this permission set to the API user. So we'll click manage assignments, and then you'll click add assignment and assign this permission set to the API user that you created earlier, which was your MC-Connect CRM user. Now that we've got that permission set created, we're going to come back to the setup page in our Sales Cloud environment or Service Cloud or Community Cloud environment, and we're going to go to Apps, Connected Apps, and then Manage Connected Apps. And we're going to go back to our Salesforce Marketing Cloud Connected App and click Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And then we're going to come down to Permission Sets, and we're going to click Manage Permission Sets. And once we click Manage Permission Sets, we're going to choose our Marketing Cloud Connected App permission set and click the checkbox next to that, and then come down here in the bottom right corner and click Save. Now we can see that we have that permission set associated to this connected app. Once we do that, let's give this permission set to the people that we want to integrate to Marketing Cloud. If we don't give these people this permission set, we will not be able to integrate our users. So let's give them this permission set. So let's click on this permission set right here, and then click Manage Assignments, and then click Add Assignments, and then click the checkbox next to the person that you want to assign this permission set to, and then click Assign. Once we've assigned this permission set to the users, they now have this permission set, and we can integrate these users to Marketing Cloud users inside of Marketing Cloud. Make sure you give this permission set to your users once again, or else they will not be able to be integrated. And that's how you set up your newly created Marketing Cloud Connected App permission set.